If your vehicle has 4 doors, the Child Protection Door Lock System provides added safety for small children riding in the rear seats. When the system is engaged, a rear door can only be opened by using the outside door handle, even if the door is unlocked. The window lockout switch located on the driver's side door panel, which disables the window controls on the rear passenger doors, is also used to enable the Child Protection Door Lock System. When engaged, the rear doors can only be opened by using the outside door handle. After engaging or disengaging the Child Protection Door Lock System, always test the door by trying to open it from the inside. If the door does not open, the lock is engaged. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.